This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your BMW X2. First, ensure your vehicle is equipped with the remote engine start feature, which is often an optional extra. You'll primarily use two methods, the My BMW app on your smartphone or your car's key fob. This convenient function lets you prepare your vehicle's climate before you even step inside, making your drive more comfortable from the start. To use the My BMW app, simply open it on your smartphone and ensure you're logged in. From the main vehicle status screen, you'll see an option labeled Remote Engine Start. Tap this button and then confirm your command. The app will send a signal to your X2, starting the engine and activating your last climate control settings. This method offers great flexibility, allowing you to start your car from almost anywhere. For key fob remote start, you'll need to be within a reasonable range of your BMW X2. First, press the lock button on your key fob 3 times in quick succession. On the third press, hold the button down for about 1 second. You should see your vehicle's lights flash, indicating that the engine has successfully started. This is a quick and easy way to get your car ready when you're nearby. If your remote start isn't working, first check that all doors, the hood, and the trunk are fully closed and locked. Also, ensure your BMW X2 has enough fuel. Sometimes, a weak key fob battery can also be the culprit. If issues persist, consult your owner's manual or contact your dealership. And hey, for more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.